Today, we're peeling back the layers of a humble yet powerful ingredient that's likely sitting in your kitchen right now: garlic. This pungent little powerhouse is more than just a flavor enhancer for your favorite dishes. It's packed with surprising health benefits that have stood the test of time. From ancient civilizations to modern-day kitchens, garlic has been revered not just for its taste, but for its remarkable healing properties. So, whether you're a garlic guru or just curious about this aromatic wonder, stick around as we uncover the 7 amazing health benefits of garlic, each backed by science and proven to make a difference. And hey, if you're enjoying our journey through the world of wellness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get ready to be wowed by garlic. The healing power of allicin. Allicin, the heart of garlic's health benefits, is a compound that transforms this everyday ingredient into a potent health ally. When you think of garlic, you might picture it as a simple flavor enhancer for your favorite dishes. However, within each clove of garlic lies allicin, a compound with remarkable health-promoting properties. Allicin is not just another component, it's a powerhouse that fights infections, lowers the risk of cardiovascular issues, reduces bad cholesterol, and even enhances athletic performance. But here's the twist: allicin isn't readily available in garlic cloves. It's like a hidden treasure that needs to be unlocked. This compound is actually formed when garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed. This process transforms allicin, a naturally occurring substance in garlic, into allicin. It's a bit like a chemical reaction that occurs when garlic is damaged or broken down, activating its full potential. To make the most of allicin, it's essential to understand how to prepare garlic properly. The key is to chop, crush, or chew the garlic, and then let it sit for a few minutes before consuming or adding it to your cooking. This waiting period allows the allicin to form fully. However, it's important to note that cooking, especially at high temperatures, can diminish the potency of allicin. Therefore, for the best health benefits, it's recommended to consume garlic in its raw form or add it to dishes towards the end of the cooking process. Incorporating garlic into your diet for its allicin content can be simple and delicious. You might start by adding freshly chopped garlic to salads, dressings, or dips. Alternatively, you could consume a small amount of crushed garlic mixed with honey or spread on toast. The idea is to make garlic a regular part of your diet, but in a way that ensures you're getting the most out of its allicin content. Natural remedy for colds. Garlic's prowess extends beyond general health benefits to being a formidable foe against the common cold. Its ability to combat microorganisms, including bacteria and viruses, is particularly noteworthy. Studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can reduce the risk of catching a cold by a significant margin. In fact, those who include garlic in their daily diet have been observed to have a 63% lower risk of catching colds compared to those who don't. But the benefits don't stop there. If you do catch a cold, garlic can come to the rescue by reducing the duration of your illness. Regular garlic consumption has been linked to a decrease in the number of days one remains sick. The average duration of cold symptoms can be reduced from 5 days to just about 1 or 2 days. This is a substantial difference, making garlic a valuable ally during cold and flu season. When compared to common over-the-counter medications, garlic holds its own. While medications like Tylenol are often reached for to alleviate symptoms like fever, garlic offers a natural alternative with fewer side effects. It's not about choosing one over the other, but recognizing that garlic can be a complementary approach to traditional medicine in fighting colds. Combat against aging. Garlic's role in combating the aging process is largely attributed to its antioxidant properties. These antioxidants are crucial in the fight against free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage over time. As we age, our bodies naturally produce these free radicals as byproducts of various metabolic processes. However, an excess of these molecules can accelerate the aging process and increase the risk of age-related diseases. The antioxidants in garlic work by neutralizing free radicals, thereby reducing their harmful effects. This process is vital for maintaining the health of our cells and preventing the degradation that leads to aging. Regular consumption of garlic can help in maintaining a balance of free radicals, supporting the body's natural defenses against the signs of aging. Moreover, garlic's antioxidants have been linked to improved skin health. They help in protecting the skin from environmental stressors like UV rays and pollution, which can lead to premature aging. By including garlic in your diet, you're not just enhancing the flavor of your meals, you're also providing your body with essential tools to fight against the natural aging process. Enhancing sexual health in men. The benefits of garlic extend to sexual health, particularly for men. One of the key components in this regard is nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including sexual health. Nitric oxide is essential for the dilation of blood vessels, which is necessary for achieving and maintaining an erection. Garlic has been found to boost the body's production of nitric oxide, thereby improving blood flow. This improvement in blood flow is not only beneficial for sexual health but also for overall vascular health. Adequate blood flow is essential for the proper functioning of all organs, including the heart and brain. For men, especially those in their 40s and 50s who often face challenges like erectile dysfunction, incorporating garlic into their diet can be a natural way to enhance sexual health. The increase in nitric oxide production can help in alleviating some of the symptoms associated with erectile dysfunction. Reduction of bad cholesterol. Another significant health benefit of garlic is its ability to reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. This plaque buildup narrows the arteries and can lead to serious cardiovascular problems, including heart attacks and strokes. Garlic works by reducing the concentration of LDL cholesterol in the blood, thereby minimizing the risk of plaque formation. Studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can lead to a noticeable decrease in LDL cholesterol levels. This reduction plays a crucial role in maintaining heart health and promoting longevity. By preventing the accumulation of LDL cholesterol, garlic not only supports heart health but also contributes to the overall well-being of the cardiovascular system. Its natural cholesterol-lowering properties make it a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. Combat heavy metal poisoning. Garlic's efficacy in reducing heavy metal concentrations in the body is a lesser-known but significant benefit. Heavy metals, such as lead, mercury, and cadmium, can accumulate in the body through environmental exposure, contaminated food, or occupational hazards. These metals can have detrimental effects on health, including organ damage and impaired cognitive function. Research has demonstrated garlic's potential in mitigating heavy metal toxicity. A notable study involved workers in a car battery plant, a setting with high exposure to lead. Participants who consumed garlic showed a remarkable 19% reduction in lead levels in their blood. This effect is attributed to the sulfur compounds in garlic which bind to heavy metals and facilitate their elimination from the body. Further studies have reinforced these findings, showing that garlic not only reduces blood lead levels but also alleviates symptoms of heavy metal toxicity, such as headaches and blood pressure issues. These properties make garlic a valuable dietary addition for individuals in environments with high exposure to heavy metals. Osteoporosis prevention. Garlic plays a crucial role in bone health, particularly for postmenopausal women who are at increased risk of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is characterized by weakened bones and an increased risk of fractures. It is often linked to hormonal changes in postmenopausal women, specifically reduced estrogen levels. Garlic has been found to positively affect bone health by mimicking some of the beneficial effects of estrogen. This is particularly important for postmenopausal women, as garlic can help mitigate the loss of bone density associated with decreased estrogen levels. Studies have shown that garlic can increase estrogen levels in the body, leading to stronger bones and a reduced risk of osteoporosis. Moreover, garlic's benefits extend to athletic performance and endurance. Ancient cultures, such as the Greeks and Romans, used garlic to enhance the performance of athletes. Modern research supports these traditional uses, indicating that garlic can improve physical endurance. This is likely due to its impact on cardiovascular health and muscle function. Athletes, particularly those engaged in endurance sports, may find garlic a beneficial supplement. Its ability to enhance blood flow and improve muscle efficiency can lead to better athletic performance and quicker recovery times. This makes garlic not only a tool for disease prevention, but also an aid for physical fitness and overall well-being. And there you have it, folks. The 7 incredible health benefits of garlic, a small but mighty hero in the world of natural health remedies. From boosting your immune system to protecting your heart and even enhancing your physical performance, garlic truly is a superfood in its own right. It's amazing how something so common can have such a profound impact on our health. If you've enjoyed peeling back the layers of garlic's benefits with us, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips. Stay tuned for more content that will help you live a healthier, happier life.